Hi there, you're in the lab with your mate JJ. Today is mail call, just a quick mail call for you today. My silly job title is Phase Phaser. Today I'm the Phase Phaser. It's not a really big haul today, just a couple of little things, some stuff from AliExpress. I think I've got two special mentions. I'll show you those first. So let's pop over to the bench and see what's arrived in the mail. Here on the bench. So first things first, I thought I might do honorable mention number one. That is Silicon Chip Magazine. So this is an Australian electronics mag, a very venerable publication, or periodical as they say. There's an ad for microchip in the back. So yeah, this arrived today. This is the October edition. So looking forward to having a read of this. And the other thing that's a special mention is this. Now, I don't exactly know what to expect in here in detail, but broadly I know what I'm in for. So there we go. I got myself some Hackaday stickers. Aren't these cool? So I got matte. This is a matte finish, and I got gloss. So there's matte, 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 and then gloss, gloss, gloss. There we go. Isn't that cool? So I wonder if we could install one together. Let's do that. All right, so we've come back over here, and what I'm planning to do is put my Hackaday sticker on the back of my light here. So there used to be resistor color coding on there, but now it's going to be the Hackaday sticker. I'm going to have to futz around with it, so let's do this in fast forward. There it is. It's my Hackaday bling. That's pretty exciting, isn't it? All right. Now back over to the bench just for the rest of the bits and pieces from China. I do actually have a stickers box where I keep stickers, and I will file these in my sticker box later on. We've got a bunch of small little things here, so let's hop into those first. I've got a bunch of them. They're Zener diodes, okay. So who knows exactly what we're in for here? I forget. Oh, good. So I did actually buy some TVS diodes. That's good. These are DO201AD. Okay, great. Good. And let's keep on keeping on. What else have we got in here? Actually, you know what? I'm going to cut all of these open and we'll have a look at them together once that's done. Okay, so it looks like we've got 4 lots of Zeners and these TVS diodes. So I lost the labels for these two, so I'm going to measure them and see if we can figure out where they go. And we're going to file them in the component drawers. So I'm going to print out a label for this. I'm going to measure all of those and put them in the appropriate box. So we'll do that in fast forward. I'll report back here when it's done. All right, so I've got my TVS diodes here labeled and ready to go away. So now what we're going to do is figure out what these Xeons are, Zeners, and then file those as well. So let's do that together quickly. All right, so these are mostly sorted. I used my Peak Atlas Zen 50 to measure the Zeners that I lost the labels for. I'm pretty sure I got them right, but what I'm going to do is just jump over to the computer and check my order and make sure that I got all the things that I ordered. So I'll do that quickly and then I'll be back. All right, so I checked and it turns out these ones are rated at 3.3 volts, not 3.6 volts, which is what I thought. So let's just put all of these away together. Now, I'm going to put the little green sticker on these again to let me know that these are the ones that I've got lots of. And I'll use the ones I've got lots of when it doesn't really matter what sort I use. So that'll be a fast forward job too. Let's fast forward this. All right, that's done. So I just put little green dots on the side of my component trays to let me know that these are the ones that I've got lots of, because they're in a shelf over there where there's like 30 different types. So these 4 types, I want them to stand out. All right, so on we go. And while I think of it, I'll put a photo of the component drawers in the show notes if you're interested to see how all those actually got filed. Now this is a nice plush package. This is 10 microfiber rags. I guess you'd say rags. And this is where I keep my rags. So let's just chuck them on the pile. And if I need a microfiber rag, I will know where to go looking. I got them mostly because they were cheap. All right, I'll put that in the corner. We'll do all the labeling at the end. What did I do? To do with those other labels that I cut out? I don't remember. Maybe I just put them in the thing. Anyway, on we go. So what do we got in here? Oh, it's just more battery holders. Right. So what have we got? All right, well, I'm going to take all these out of their bags. Let's do that quickly. All right, so that's 3 lots of 4 AAAs and 3 lots of 1 AAA. So let's just leave them in the corner because I reckon we're going to have more of those. Let's have a look in here and see if there's more battery clips, because there very well may be. Yeah. All right, well, there's a big honking pile of clips. Let me grab a container. We'll see if we can fit them in. All right, I'm back, and I got this big honking thing. It might be big enough. Let's give it a go. I've got a lifetime supply of power supplies. I got AAA, I got AA, I've got C and D, I've got 18650. Anyway, they fit. That's great. I was a bit worried they wouldn't fit, but that's a good box full of battery holders. Wonderful. I'll put it away and we'll keep on keeping on. All right, just 2 more packages to go. Not sure what we got here. That's the old AliExpress bag within bag. Okay. Well, this is solar panels. Ah, cool. Kind of want to keep them with their label. I'm not sure. Okay, you solder onto this panel. Interesting. Okay, I'm going to take all these out. Let's do that quickly. Okay, so as you can see, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different types of solar panels. I got a whole bunch of different form factors so that I could experiment, but I'm going to want to keep the panels with the label that they come with so that I can try and reverse engineer what they are. I probably need some baggies for that purpose. I don't know how many baggies I'll need. Anyway, it looks like those 3 will fit in these 3, so that's a start. Let me just figure this out. I'll be back in a sec. All right, well, I've had a go at it, so let's just do what we can do. We'll start with the small ones because I know they're going to work. You can just tell that will fit. So let's do this first. All right, so we're done. There's our collection of solar panels. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'll get a little container for them and we'll label them and put them away. All right, so there's our solar panel drawer. I'll just put that away. And this is our last package. Not sure what to expect in here. A box of some sort. Oh, I see. Great. This is a spare electrostatic wrist wrap. Great. It's a bit of a mystery how to get in there. See if we can open it with this. There we go. All right. So you power it off the wall. It's come with a foreign plug. That's no problem. And here's the unit itself. Didn't come with any screws. That won't be a problem. I've got screws. So I'll file that. Quality control pass. Wonderful. I'll stick that in the scrapbook. Oh, there we go. So there is something to read here. It's English on this side and Chinese on this side. So let me tell you about this piece of equipment. Manual of Electrostatic Wristbands Alarm. Electrostatic wristbands alarm can be useful for real-time and continuous monitoring and control on anti-static wristbands. It can be useful for real-time monitoring on the whole grounding system so as to protect normal operation of grounding system in anti-static work area for 1 or 2 working staff. This product ensures 100% monitoring on the ESD status of the operators. This product is fully in line with the standard ANSI ESD S20.20 of American Electrostatic Discharge Association and the standard IEC 61340 of the European Electrical Overstress Association for the electrostatic grounding in the electrostatic protection area. Both these standards clearly require that the effective electrostatic grounding should be ensured, and electrostatic wristbands alarms should be used for real-time monitoring and alarm. The wristband's alarm has changed the traditional situation of single electrostatic grounding, ensures the reliability of grounding to prevent electrostatic damage. Product features. 1.1. This product uses the US National Semiconductor Original Chip, possessing high reliability and stability. 1.2. This product standard is equipped with safety regulations
complied power supply, and it has passed a number of certifications and can be exported to a lot of countries in the world. 1.3 Foolproof design. If the anti-static wristband has failed, the power switch should be manually turned off. Alarm sensitivity is easy to be adjusted. It is compatible with the vast majority of anti-static wristbands in the market. It can be used for real-time monitoring on the operator's wearing and grounding conditions of anti-static wristbands. It will be automatically and immediately alarm in case of abnormality. Instructions for use. First, connect the ground wire of the electrostatic alarm, icon 1, to reliable ESD ground wire. For safety reasons, make sure that the safety regulations complied power supply is used. Default configured power supply should be used for electrostatic alarm. DC plug can be connected to any power port of the alarm body. Wear qualified anti-static wristband and insert into input port of the alarm. Turn the power switch from off to on and then the alarm begins to work. Green light means normal, red light means abnormal. If the alarm becomes red and sounds after confirmation that the anti-static wristband is qualified, it indicates that the user of wristband has too low body resistance. Through the front side, cal sensitivity can be adjusted till the green light glows. So you can calibrate this thing. I didn't know. Anyway, I'm going to go, well, let's take it out of the box and show it to you first. So this is just a 9 volt, I suppose. Is it 9? Yeah, 9 volts, 300 milliamps. This thing won't require much juice. Let me just show you what it is. Perhaps that isn't obvious. It's an electrostatic wristband. So it's for electrostatic discharge, but it's alarmed. So if the thing comes out, oh, it looks like it didn't come with. Interesting. It didn't come with a thing. That's no problem because I actually already have one of those. I just needed a new one of these. Anyway, I'm going to go install this. I'll report back when it's done. All right. Well, I'm happy to report in that operation was a success. By the way, this is my wristband that I had. I already had this. I had it with my old monitor, which I've just replaced with the new one. The old one looked exactly the same. The problem I had is the switch power has gone dicky. So I think it just needs a new screw. So I'm going to put this in a project box and I'll come back to it and see if I can fix the switch at some point. I won't do that today, but in the future. For now, let me find somewhere to put this. I'll be back. All right, so that concludes the unboxing. We've just got the scrapbooking to do, so I'll do that now quickly. Well, it's probably for the best, but I accidentally recorded the wrong scene when I was doing the scrapbooking here. So the scrapbooking's done. You don't get to watch me do it in high speed. But you can be happy knowing that my scrapbooking is complete. So I'll just quickly throw this into the folder. My anti-static wristband installed just there, by the way, but you can't see that. All right, I'll throw the firmware cam. We'll wrap up.
And that's a wrap. So, just a quick mail call today. I missed a bit of the footage while I was recording this video, but nothing terribly important. My favorite thing today, of course, was my Jolly Wrencher, my Hackaday logo. Very happy to have this. That's great. What arrived today that I didn't care about too much? Well, I got those Zener diodes. I got the TVS diodes. I'm happy to have those. Got my silicon chip magazine. Pretty happy about that. My electrostatic thing. That's good to have. So yeah, I was pretty much happy with everything today. Anyway, that's a wrap. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks very much for watching. And please remember to hit like and subscribe.